What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to download an app onto your iPhone. Now, in recent years, Apple has made it super simple in order to do this process, and the layout is super easy to do, and you probably will never have to watch this video again once you find out how to do it, because it is really that simple, which is a very nice feature to have on your phone. You really want to have that compatibility where you feel comfortable using your phone. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to search up the App Store. All you're going to do is just swipe down on your home screen. If you've never been on this app before, it should be on your home page as well, and you can just click on that. But searching is the easiest way, especially if you have a cluttered phone. And what you're going to do is just find your app on here that you want to download. If you know the name of the app, you could hit the search button in the bottom right hand corner and just be able to type in whichever app you want. But I'm just going to do this random app that I actually plan to make a few videos on in the future. So be on the lookout for those if you are interested in this said app. And I'm going to the search bar. I'm taking advantage and utilizing this feature that I was just talking about. And I'm just going to go ahead and type in the name of my app. And this app is Cut the Rope. This game has been out for a very long time, and I played it a lot as a child. And I want to get back into it and start making some walkthrough tutorials for you guys because I know a lot of the ins and outs of this app. So be on the lookout for that, like I said. But once you see the app that you want to download, there's just going to be that big gray button that has the blue Get text on it that is parallel to the right of the name of the app and the app icon. And you could just click on that Get button. Depending how you have your iPhone set up, you could either just double click with the Face ID and it will download automatically for you, or you will have to enter your Apple password. But once you enter your password in, it should be giving you an option where you can enable the Face ID or a passcode to much easier download the apps. But that is pretty much all there is to it. It's just going to take a second, obviously, to download onto your phone. But once you download it, that button is going to turn into the Open button, and it should be locked in to the next app spot that is on your home screen, if that makes any sense. So once you swipe through, it's going to be in the next spot. Even if there's apps to the right of it still, it's still just going to fill the next spot. Like I said, that is pretty much all there is to it. If you had any questions or were confused at all on how this works, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.